Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an investment strategy with M1 Finance step by step clearly. To deploy an investment strategy with M1 Finance, start by creating an account on their website or app. Provide the necessary personal information, including your email, name, and phone number. Verify your identity by following the prompts and submitting required documents if necessary. Once your account is set up, log in to the M1 Finance platform. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. Navigate to the Invest section to begin building your portfolio. Choose between creating a custom portfolio or selecting from pre-built expert portfolios. If opting for a custom portfolio, click on Create a new pie. A pie represents your investment portfolio. Add stocks or ETFs that align with your investment strategy. Allocate percentages to each asset based on your investment goals. Ensure that your total percentage adds up to 100. Review your selections and allocations to confirm they meet your strategy. Save your pie by giving it a unique name for easy reference. Proceed to fund your account by linking your bank account. Transfer the amount you wish to invest into your M1 Finance account. Once the funds are available, you can go back to your portfolio. Click on Invest to start buying into the assets you selected. Monitor your investments regularly by checking the performance of your pie. Adjust your allocations if needed, based on market conditions or personal goals. Utilize the automatic rebalancing feature to maintain your target allocations. Take advantage of M1's features like automated deposits and tax-efficient investing options. Stay informed about market trends and news that could impact your investments. Review your overall investment strategy periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.